Hey guys, Joshua here, and welcome back to Roblox. So I'm gonna play Adopt Me again because I just want to show you about that, or about that pumpkin disappeared. So look, I'm just gonna show you the date real quick. Yesterday it was the 11th. And that means the pumpkin just disappeared yesterday. And plus, to prove it to you, I'm just gonna get on this game and show you, okay? Look, I'm just gonna get on this game and start showing you, okay? I'm just gonna prove it to you if I'm right or not, okay? I'm just gonna show you. So let's go. I'm just gonna put this right there. So here we go. Yeah, a parent. I'm just gonna prove it to you guys. Claim, close. Oh yeah, hold on. My money's in here. Just let me receive. Just let me get my money real quick. I'm just gonna go outside and show you, or that I don't have the pumpkin anymore. So just let me show you. Look, it's not there anymore. See, it's not there anymore. So, hold on, just let me get rid of this text real quick. Just let me get rid of that text. The pumpkin's not there anymore. So that means the pumpkin patch is. Oh, the pumpkin patch is gone. Well, again, that means I. Oh, like, hold on. Oh, I'm going to see if that pumpkin patch is still there. I'm not gonna pause the video because I'm just gonna show you without pausing it. Let's see if it's still there. Yes, it's still there, but it's still here, but you cannot get any more pumpkins. This is closed. This is closed until next Halloween. So that means that means this is closed until next Halloween. So that means. Oh, gee. I can ride in here? I can drive in here? That's cool. So anyway. Wait a minute. Oh, God. Oh, that shit. Goes over here. Look, whoa. Watch where you're going. Anyway, I don't trust anyone with my bike. Oh, that means I have to paying some money. Yar! Watch ye step as ye get. Wait, what the hell is going on? Oh! I just sit on this and it makes it go. Anyway, no. Actually, I just want to go on that ride. Bye. Your balloon will take off in 60 minutes. Take a seat so you don't left behind. So anyway. Okay, guys. If I still have that pumpkin, I might just fly up there, but I don't have that pumpkin anymore. I might just sit here instead. I think, well, thank you. I think if someone pays this, I can sit here. No, I'm not gonna dance. Captain Egg. Captain Rat. I don't know who that name is right there. 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Drifting off, okay. Bye bye, have fun. Wait. Beef went for it. Next stop, Sky Castle. So, anyway, guys, I paid just to do this because I just want to do that bungee cord again. I just want to do that bungee cord. Yeah, I really want to do that. I want to do that bungee cord again. Because last time I did that, before my pumpkin disappeared, I just went so high in the air. I can prove it to you. No, I'm not. Oh, it's not. Now it's nighttime. I will just show you. I go like this, and I go whee, and I just dropped off, and I was like, holy smokes! Oh god. Oh god. Oh, I know. I'm just gonna snap up in a minute. So, I just went down and up, and I landed right on here. I might just do that again. Whee! And just go like that, and I get back on top here. Oh my goodness. I like this thing. Anyway, guys, I might just do that bungee cord, and I'm not just gonna hop on the thing. Hold on, just let me do that one more time, and then I will stop. Or not. Wait. Oh my goodness! What the hell? I liked it. Okay, guys, I might do that again. It was so funny. I might do that again, and people might say, "What the hell is he doing?" Okay, guys, I might just do that one last time, and then I might save my money on just buying food for my pet. Who just want me to do that again? I'm doing that again. I'm just gonna do that again. I'm just gonna do that one last time, and then I will stop. Unless I was recording. 8 minutes, okay. Okay, guys, I might just do that one last time. I did not know I can do that. Come on, sit down. Who's coming? It is going to leave you behind. Who's coming? It is going to leave you behind. You better go. Better come. Before. Too late. So, I gotta do that bungee cord again with the motorcycle, and then I will stop. I did not know I can actually do that. I did not know I can actually do that. Anyway, I'm just gonna do this now. Or I'm just gonna put that face cam right there. Let's go. I'm gonna do that one last time, and then I will just stop. Okay, I'm just gonna get ready. I'll do that with the motorcycle out. Oh my god! Oh my goodness! I just went flying there. Anyway, I'm just gonna get my pet. I don't have that punk anymore. Oh yeah, the cat. I don't know if I can do that with a cat. Oh yeah, this thing I might just do. I will let my cat do this. Oh, actually I might get my snow cat. Press the button to spin. Press it over and over to spin faster. Add some friends to spin even faster. Wait, what button? What button? I see no button. I don't know what button you're talking about. Oh. Oh, I just press E and it makes it go. That makes sense. I thought this button in the middle of this. That button right there. Like, I think you're talking about just get my thing go like there. Okay, I'm done. Come on, Snowcat. No, Snowcat. Snowcat, get off this instant. Oh God, stop spinning. Come on, get off this instant. Anyway, I might let you do this. Go through this. No, go through that. And do this. Go! I said go! Go! Are you for real? There we go, thank you. Come on, cat. Oh my good. Come on, do that again. Oh God! Stop. Ah! Ah, jeez. Oh my. Come on, cat. Go right there. Are you for real? Oh my. Oh my goodness. Wait, what is this? Wait a minute. Please don't tell me this is parkour. Oh, this is an actual swing. Gotta get it now. Or this isn't. Wait a minute. They just made this slide something. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait a minute. What's that shop right there? Obbies? I don't know what this means. Okay, guys, hold on. I might. Oh yeah, I remember this. Hold on. Mini world. Tiny. What the heck? Oh, I know that's an X I just went through. Oh yeah, I think I remember this. Well, but not going back now. Hey cat, fall to your doom. Wait, what? The hell? The cat can't. The cat can't die? Hold on. The cat is indestructible? That's not fair. I got a cat keeps falling down. Oh, ooh. No, no! Okay, I think my cat was distracting me. Oh, this makes it more harder. Okay, that's it. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done with that garbage. I'm just gonna leave. Screw it. How long I was recording? 15 minutes, of course. Anyway, guys. I'm just gonna go home and feed my cat. You know, my pet is hungry and thirsty. Anyway, I'm just gonna go home. Stop. Go. Actually, I might. I might try and adopt a baby and adopt me. If you guys want me to adopt a baby in the next video, please comment down below. And please comment down below. Okay? I might not need. Wait a minute. I need the cat. I just don't need the bike. Anyway, cat, let's go. Oh yeah, hold on. Hold on, guys. Every time I get on the Adopt Me, it just always unlocks itself. Anyway, hold on, just let me put all my money in my piggy bank here. Actually, not. Just let me feed my cat first, and then I will do it. Oh, jeez. Jeez. Just let me feed my cat first. Oh, anyway, guys. I still have this right here. I just call it my teeny useless house. Yeah, it's pretty useless. My home for me and my pet. I got that too. Anyway, just let me feed my cat real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna feed him some pizza cheese. And plus, I know my cat is not a mouse. And don't be hungry again, please. What's this? Oh, every time I give that kitty a chocolate milk, it just turns into water. For some reason. Anyway, after that, come on, kitty. Hey, kitty. Oh, how about you sit down, and I will put all my money in here. You need a shower. Of course you are. 309. And now let's do that. There we go. Anyway, kitty, let's go. Oh, I just got. Here, guys, hold on. Just let me turn on my light real quick. Anyway, guys, get ready. I think this cat is gonna turn to a junior into a grown cat. Let's see. Let's see if it works. Protein. Yes. Anyway, guys, hold on. Just let me turn that off. Anyway. Oh, jeez. Oh, I still have the big house. It's like this. Oh, not that one. This one, right? Let's go to the playground. Kitty, not now. I was just there. Okay. Okay, Toy Chica. Oh, I will take you in the playground in the next video, okay? So just be patient. Okay? Being patient is that I stinking need right now. Hey kitty, how about you go take a nap? Jeez. Anyway, just let me leave my game. Before my kitty will say, "Oh, I'm hungry or thirsty." Anyway, guys. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end the video right now because I just want to. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.